So we'll just check if the 500,000 on line 3 for sales to customer in Kiel, North Germany, hasn't yet been reflected in the map. So I'll go over to Kiel here. It's still 67,555. So the 500,000 has not yet been added. So first of all, I'll go into edit queries. And I'll go home here, and under refresh preview I'll do refresh all. Next I'll do home, close and apply. There's been no change to the figure for Kiel yet. Now I click on, it's still, you see there, it's still 67,555. Now I click refresh on Power BI proper. So I'll just check you can see straight away that the Kiel figure has gone up by the 500,000, so it's 567,555 now. So the change has been reflected in the map in Power BI. Once I click refresh, then I'm in the Power BI desktop.